everyone, here is part 2 of my island trip. Last time I sent off for my green card and I also changed the cush drive and chain on my lovely bike Donkey. Now it's time to pack and for a quick last minute oil top up, and tomorrow we are heading for the ferry. Island, here I come. My green card has arrived. Call me naive, but I was expecting a card, like a credit card. And I guess it makes sense that it's green, but hopefully it doesn't get too wet. If it rains or fall into a lake, who knows what might happen. But yeah, got the green card. Ferry is booked. I have a place to stay. And yeah, job's a good one. At this point, it might be worth mentioning that my brain does not function even slightly without lists. If I need something to be done, it needs to be on a list. Otherwise, it ain't gonna happen. Maybe some of you are like me, and if you are, this is how I get through not forgetting things. First of all, figure out what you're doing on your holiday. Split up your trip into different elements and think about what you need for each one. For tutoring, I'm going to need my laptop, I'm going to need my tablet, I'm going to need chargers, I'm going to need a calculator, that sort of stuff. Most importantly, what do I need to get there? I need passport, green card, COVID stuff, ferry tickets. I need to know where I'm going. So any documentation or pieces of paper, I will pack up into a waterproof pouch and generally put it in my bike jacket pocket, which is nice and waterproof and it's always accessible to me on the journey. Apart from that, everything else is basically non-essential. You can buy it once you get there. Passport, documents, money, you're good to go. Let's go on a hunt for some of the things we need. I'm pretty sure I know where my passport is. Passports. There we go, that is mine. I'm hoping I have my COVID thing somewhere. Aha, well I definitely have one of them. Where the hell do I have an Oyster card? I've not been in London for ages. Got most of the things I need, I think. The only thing I'm slightly worried about is the ferry reservation. We were gonna go to France 2020, but COVID. So we got a voucher for the ferry, which I am now using to go to Ireland, but it's not in my name. And they've not given us a new booking number. They say it's fine, but, you know, I always worry about these things. It's in my nature. One continental bag. Got this at the Overland show for asking an embarrassing question to the panel. Not bad. Maltesers. Little fox. Hoop. Trousers. One vest. Two vest. 4 pairs of socks. Underwear. Sports bras. Mask. And some sewing supplies as well. You never know when your clothes are going to fall apart. We have some deodorant, toothpaste, toothbrush, bamboo, eco, nail clippers. Useful. This is my important documents little pouch. So we've got passport, green piece of paper, and the email explaining what the hell is going on with the ferry, because like I said, that's not simple. So yes, takeaway tonight, finish packing, sort out the bike a wee bit, have a shower, that's a good one, and then try and go to bed early, because I need to set off about 6:30 in the morning. Yeah. Alright, let's check. Clean that now. I'd like to point out I am going to change the oil, but I'm doing it when I get back. Yeah, I think I'll put some more in. Now, where's my oil funnel? How much oil will I get in if I use not an oil funnel for oil? That's the oil funnel. This sign confuses me. The bottom drawer is not a drawer. It's a cupboard. Just saying. Is it 10.20? I didn't think it was 10.50. It is 10.40. I was right. So, according to the powers that be, the elders of the internet, it is absolutely fine to mix 10.50 and 10.40 oil, which is good because I have 10.40 in and 10.50 here. Editing Holly here, just to say I have no idea where the video of me actually changing the oil is, but it's pretty simple. Put funnel in hole, put oil in funnel, check level of oil, repeat until oil good. If I have space, this is going in. If I don't, it isn't. Snacks, no. Cable ties, because cable ties are life. Toilet roll, essential. Adjustable spanners. And a beepy beepy lump. So much half bottles of iced tea. Maybe we should combine them for the next journey. No wait, that one's fermented. Let's not do that. Into the panniers, I'm going to put everything I might need on the road. I've got waterproofs, got first aid kit, hopefully I don't need it, and any snacks that I am going to want to have. Everything else is going to go into my roll bag and on the top of the bike.
The next day.
This is how every adventure starts for me. Observe. Oh, or I could go back to bed. It is early. I don't remember what time. Probably not that early. I just don't do mornings. About 5:30 on Saturday, and I am getting ready to set off. Yep. Very glad I did everything yesterday because I am knackered.
A few minutes later.
Love you.
Love you too.
And finally, I am off on my journey. I'll see you when I get to Liverpool. We have made it to the ferry! Yay! Just sat in a waiting room because as a motorbike I am the last on the ferry, but first off, which is probably better. Got about an hour and a half to wait till we set off. So just going to have a bit of a rest and nice chill out. I will see you on the ferry. On the boat now from Liverpool to Dublin. Had a nice little nap. Had some breakfast, which was a proper cooked breakfast. Very nice, was not expecting that. About 6 more hours till we arrive. So another cup of tea, do some reading, find a quiet corner and just chill out for a bit longer. And now we're coming into Ireland. This is my first glimpse of the country ever. It's not raining, so I can't really complain. Let's hope my journey down south is not too eventful. I'll see you next time.